Hi friends, this video shows how to stop screen from turning off. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. And here you are seeing list of developer options. From this list, let me set this stay awake. So we have to enable this option. Done. So this way we can enable stay awake and stop the screen from turning off. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.